about scoring political points with Donald Trump, and that's really unfortunate. And I'm glad both Democratic and Republican governors are calling him out on it.
Scott, I mean, is this appropriate for the former president to be doing?
I mean, look, Donald Trump didn't cause this hurricane, A. B, he's not the current president. C, Joe Biden was at the beach and Kamala Harris was raising money with celebrities when this thing hit. So, I mean, you know, I think there's legitimate
but he's basically
political
trolling
conversations to
the
be had
disaster.
here.
He's basically trolling the disaster, relief and recovery. I mean, he's not really like adding anything to it. He's basically just making stuff up for political reasons, no?
Well, I mean, his campaign, as far as I know, did start a GoFundMe to raise money for victims of it. He's down there with Brian Kemp today, and he was praising Brian Kemp's actions on the recovery in Georgia, and Kemp thanked him for bringing
but he lied about Brian Kemp earlier.
Okay, I mean, look, if you guys want to say that Donald Trump is messing up the hurricane while we have a current administration, Biden and Harris, that are in office, go ahead. I mean, it's Donald Trump. He has things to say about the things that happen in this world, and it's October of a presidential election. So I don't know what you want. What do you want him to do? Not comment on it?
Just not be sleazy, I guess, basically.
I think it's a different argument, actually, because it's something different from saying that